Buenos dias amigos, it's been a while since I talked to you last time. I am Lucky Star and today in this first episode, I am gonna show you another really cool places in the world. We had to stop in Los Angeles to continue to Santiago. From the window I saw such a nice beaches. I will come back later, don't worry. Welcome to Chile, a land of extremes, beauty, and culture, stretching over 4,300 kilometers along the western edge of South America. From the driest desert in the world in the north, the Atacama, to the icy fjords and glaciers of Patagonia in the south, Chile is a country where nature truly puts on a show. We started our trip in Santiago, Chile's vibrant capital, where modern life meets breathtaking nature. Because I love the highest points in every city, I had to go up to Sky Costanera. The weather was perfect, so we could see the whole city. Do you see the traffic? Later on I was stuck there too. After about an hour of driving, we have arrived to Chilean coast, where art, culture, and the sea collide. Vina del Mar offers elegance and relaxation, with golden beaches, lush parks, and a lively beachfront scene. It's Chile's favorite seaside escape. Just next door, Valparaiso is a bohemian paradise. Its steep hills are covered in vibrant street art, historic funiculars, and breathtaking ocean views. A city where creativity lives in every corner. People warned me to protect my camera and my backpack because there is a lot of crime in the city. I was careful, so nothing bad happened. Two cities, side by side, each with its own rhythm, charm, and story. Winding through the Andes, Los Caracoles is one of the world's most dramatic mountain roads, a dizzying series of switchbacks climbing toward the sky. It's the gateway to adventure, and just beyond it lies Portillo, Chile's legendary ski resort. Surrounded by breathtaking peaks and the shimmering Laguna del Inca, Portillo offers world-class skiing and unforgettable alpine views. And here we are, in Patagonia, one of the most remote and awe-inspiring regions on Earth. Located at the southern tip of Chile, it's a land shaped by wind, ice, and time. Here, nature reigns supreme. Endless steppe meets jagged peaks. Glaciers creak, rivers roar, and wildlife roams freely. At the heart of Chilean Patagonia lies Torres del Paine National Park, a natural masterpiece. It's one of the most iconic and photographed places in South America. It takes almost 6 hours to get there from Punta Arenas and cross the park, but our rented car survived. The park is named after its crown jewels, the Torres, or towers, dramatic granite spires rising from the earth like ancient sentinels. From iceberg-dotted lakes to glacier-fed valleys, every turn in Torres del Paine feels like a postcard come to life. In Patagonia, you don't just visit, you feel it. The silence, the scale, the spirit of the wild. Hee. Now we have to wait for these cute sheep. Let me check it from the sky. There must be hundreds of them here. Oh? I have to see the sunset too. This is amazing. After counting all the sheep, I slept really well. The next morning, I wanted to visit the San Isidro lighthouse. So far, it's the closest I've ever been to the South Pole. I checked how far it was from the parking lot, and it didn't look far. You follow a rugged path along the coastline, just a few kilometers from the parking area. It doesn't seem far. But the soft, uneven terrain makes each step a small challenge. It's part of the adventure, walking where few people go. At the edge of the world, where the land meets the cold waters of the Strait of Magellan, stands a lonely and beautiful beacon, the San Isidro Lighthouse. Located just 75 kilometers south of Punta Arenas, San Isidro is the southernmost lighthouse on the mainland of the Americas. It's a quiet place, filled with history, and surrounded by windswept beaches, dense forests, and the haunting calls of seabirds. Built in 1904, the lighthouse once helped ships navigate the dangerous waters of the strait. Today, it stands as a museum, a restored memory of the old days of southern exploration. Inside, you'll find stories of sailors, shipwrecks, and survival, and outside, sweeping views that make you feel like you're at the very edge of the earth. Standing there, you feel something different. A stillness. A sense of place. This isn't just a lighthouse, it's a symbol of endurance, solitude, and the incredible beauty of southern Chile. Remote, quiet, unforgettable. At the far southern edge of Chile, closer to Antarctica than to Santiago, lies a windswept city filled with history, culture, and a spirit of adventure, Punta Arenas. Founded in 1848, Punta Arenas was once one of the most important ports in the southern hemisphere, a vital stop for ships crossing between the Atlantic and Pacific, long before the Panama Canal existed. Today, it's a quiet city with a strong Patagonian identity. The architecture tells its story, grand mansions from the wool boom era, mixed with humble wooden homes built to withstand the harsh southern weather. Punta Arenas is a gateway, not just to Patagonia, but to Antarctica. Many expeditions begin here. But it's also a place to slow down. From the lookout above the city, you can see the Strait of Magellan stretching into the horizon. This narrow body of water changed the course of world trade and exploration, and continues to shape life in Punta Arenas today. Just offshore, you'll find colonies of Magellanic penguins, sea lions, and dolphins. A boat trip to Isla Magdalena is a must, where thousands of penguins waddle freely, seemingly as curious about us as we are about them. Unfortunately, I didn't have a time to go there. One of the city's most surprising and beautiful places is the Cementerio Municipal, known for its grand tombs, peaceful alleys, and perfectly trimmed cypress trees. It's a resting place for pioneers, explorers, and wealthy families who helped shape the region. Part of the city is Plaza Muñoz Gamero, where the statue of explorer Ferdinand Magellan overlooks the square. Locals say it's good luck to kiss the foot of the statue, a tradition for travelers hoping to return. But what makes Punta Arenas truly special isn't just the history or the wildlife, it's the people. Hardy, welcoming, and proud of their southern roots, they carry the quiet strength of this remote place. In Punta Arenas, you feel the wind, you feel the stories, and you feel the edge of the world. This is more than just a stop on the map. It's the soul of southern Chile. Do you remember how I said I would go back to Los Angeles? I typed the city into my GPS, and it told me it was only a 6-hour drive from Santiago. So I woke up early and headed off, ready for sandy beaches, movie celebrities, and to touch the stars on the Walk of Fame. So this is it. A peaceful city in the heart of the Bio region. Surrounded by green fields, rivers, and forests, it's a gateway between the Central Valley and southern Patagonia. No Santa Monica Beach, no Hollywood sign, not even nice, sunny weather. It was all just one big lie.
Motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Tú me curas cuando más me duele. Sé que siempre has sabido amarme.
Eso eres tortolito, no queda bien, bebé. Mejor de tus amigas diciendo que no ven. Esto sea duradero, que sea algo sincero. Que un perro no cambia y eso es lo que es él. Pero tú lo viste, mi amor. Tú viste mi mejor versión. De lo que nadie quería, ser inspo para mis poesías. Siento que tú solo sabes, chico con par de maldades.
Anyway, it was a nice, calm place. Since it was Sunday, all the stores and restaurants were closed. So I checked what I could visit from LA and found a tourist spot called Saltos de Laja. This powerful waterfall drops over 35 meters into the Laja River, surrounded by forests, rocky cliffs, and misty rainbows on sunny days.
Tú me curas cuando más me duele. Sé que siempre has sabido amarme. Se volvió ese chico que habló en mis canciones. Esas madrugadas y hermosas conversaciones. Se volvió ese chico que quería ver otra vez.
And this, my friends, is the end of the first episode from Chile. In the next one, I'll take you to paradise, I promise. Thanks for watching. See you soon.